Dude, offer bread.
Shut up, you guys! I'm recording this.
Why can't we have voices?
Someone's reading one through it. Who's scared?
I got the Jaws theme in my head. Except I'm placing the word with pigeon. Pigeon.
Okay, everyone will know what the fuck we're doing.
Come on, Dave. Do it.
Let's go open that one.
Maybe I come from the other direction?
I can't.
They're going over the door.
Dude, there's a pigeon like.
This is so clever. This is amazing. I want to be my friend on Facebook.
New Philadelphia City Pigeons, new page.
I have a leaf. They're high in nutrition value. Right.
Dude, try to capture the chickadee.
Eagle.
Oh my god. I knew that was gonna happen. Whoa, guys, really?
There's all those birds in that pile there. Why are you not doing that in the pile?
Yeah, seriously, man.
He's shit. Why are you gonna pick up shit when you're chasing it as a best friend?
I just got disoriented.
It's the attack of the killer pigeons! Whoa!
That was a dove.
How can you tell the difference?
It was pure white.